Bailey, what? What is your problem, Bailey boy? Wow, what do you like? Do you want to go to Papa? No, you cannot go to Papa. You know why? He's sleeping. Nope, leave him alone. Nope. Bailey, listen. You know what? Later, we were gonna go with the Papa because we're gonna go door dashing, okay? And then we're gonna go to the store. And you're gonna say hi to the people, right? So are you excited, Bailey boy? Hey, come on. Bailey, are you excited? Okay. This dog is excited. Yay! And you know what, Bailey? Mommy is cooking your chicken, okay? That way you can eat before we go out. Super love yan.